Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be giving you 3 exciting 7 praise groove you can use for 1-4-5 progression. So if you're interested and you want to spicy up this kind of 7 groove in your own local praise song, this is the right video for you, okay? If you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. I want you to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also want you to like the video and also leave a comment too as well, okay? I also do private class lesson for beginners. If you're interested and you want to take your bass play to another level, DM me on my WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with a tutorial. So as I said earlier, we are going to be playing this, or we are going to be learning this on a 1-4-5 progression, okay? So I'm breaking this into 3 sections because I'll be giving you 3 bassline. The same progression, you can either choose 1 or 2, or you can learn the 3 of it and start applying them, okay? You can be mixing it up, okay? So guys, let's look at the first 7 bassline I have for you. Okay, so that was the first one, okay? So if you're totally beginner, I'll try and break it down so that you understand and know how to play it very easy, okay? So we're going to be playing on key G. First of all, let's look on how we can control the left pluck, okay? So some people normally do the normal pluck. You know, so some people normally do it, okay? You can learn that for now, okay? And you can also learn using the thumb. You understand, okay? So the first exercise you need to learn before starting this kind of 7 groove or bass line, you need to start doing this. You understand, so that you can master how you can be moving along the strings, okay, without you making any other noise. So you just need to understand how you can use the right hand when plucking, okay? So it is very simple. Just start with just the silent way. Don't press any note, just mute your string and exercise on this. Okay, so if you're using a 4-string bass guitar, you can also learn how to do it, okay? So just master it. Your thumb will be playing your 3rd string and you are going down, you are plucking down, you are striking down, okay? So okay, and while your 2 fingers, which you normally use to pluck, do the normal plucking, okay? But make sure you make it flexible. Don't strike it too hard, okay? So you understand, okay? So when you do the thumb, so this is what you would do. When you thumb on the 3rd string, your first plucking finger plucks on the 2nd string and your 2nd finger plucks on the 1st string, okay? So tum, 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 tum. Okay, so 3rd, 2nd, 1st, okay? So tum, tum, tum. So now we'll be doing tum, da, tum, da. Okay, so you'll be plucking on your 4th string and now use your 2nd finger, which you used to pluck only on your 1st string, okay? So you understand, tum, da, tum, da. So the first one, 2nd one, 1st, 2nd, okay, So when you've mastered this, you can now bring in the note you'll be playing as in the 7 groove. Okay, so what are you going to play when you've mastered this? There are many techniques you can also use using the right finger. So let me just teach you what I'm to teach you today. So it goes like this. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So now you are playing do, so do. That is your 1 5 1, your root and your octave. Okay, dun dun dun. Then you play your 5 using your thumb. Okay, so it goes like this. Dun, dun, dun. 5, then your 1, then 5 again. Then now you'll be playing your 6 on your first string. So look at how I swapped my fingers. At the start, I did it simple, which you all know how to do it. So then now the second time I'll be playing the 5, I'm using my second finger to play the 5. I won't use the first again, I'll use the second. So steady how I do it. So because I want to play the 6, okay, so I'll just have to use my second finger to play the 5. Then I'll have a leftover finger here, that is my first finger, to play the 6 for me. Okay, so do, so do, so do, so. Okay, you understand? So you have your 5 6 do, so do, so do, so. You understand? 1 5 1 5 1 5 6. You understand? Okay, so when you play, when you play your 6, then you play your 5 again, then your little finger is to play your 5, that is your octave. Your root is using your thumb, and now your octave 5. You understand? Okay, so do, so do, so do, so la, so. Okay, so now to our 4. You understand? So we're playing so fa fa so. You understand? Okay, so fa fa so. So now your first finger is going to come back normally. So you'll be playing your 5 with your first finger, then your second finger will be playing your 4. You understand? So you have your 5 4 4 5. You understand? Okay, so when you're done playing 5 4 4 5 1 5 7 5 1, you understand? Then you can start again. You see how easy it is? Okay, so just take time first, learn how to use it. Just be playing along with it until you get the actual timing on how to Seben on this kind of progression. Then now you can now learn the note. Remember that you are going to swap fingers so that you can be able to play your 6 and your 5. So now let's jump into the second 7 bass line. the second bass line that you can use on your 1-4-5 progression. Okay, so I'll also show you the correct way you can also pluck with this, okay, and the correct notes. Okay, so it is very simple. So what I was doing here was I played 1 2 3 5. Okay, so how did I pluck my 1 2 3? I used my normal fingers, which I used to pluck, whilst I just relax this on top of. So you understand? Okay, so just relax your thumb finger on top of your fourth string, then you understand? Okay, so 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, 1 5 7, 1 2 3 5. Your thumb is going to play your 5. Okay, then you play 1 5 7 7 5 1. Okay, you understand? So now you are going to your 4, the same 4 5 6 5. You understand? 4 5 6 5. So you'll be using your thumb, your normal plucking fingers to play the 4 5 6. Then your thumb is going to be playing the 5. Then normally 1 7 1. You understand? Okay, so this is very simple, but try and take time and master it very well, because it's somehow tricky. Okay, you understand? Okay, you can also slide to this kind of groove. Okay, so okay, so just don't rush using the slide, just take it simple for now. You understand? Okay, so now let's jump to the last one, the sweetest one you can use for your 1-4-5 progression. Okay, okay, so this is the last one. Okay, so it is very simple. Once you have mastered the first one, the second one, you can master this third one very easy. Okay, so the first one, okay, that is 1 5 1 5 1 5. Then you play 1. So this is the only changes that came in. So it is 6 7 6 5 5. So this is how you play it. You pluck on your 6, hammer on your 7. Okay, then pull off back to your 6, block on your 5, block on your 5. You understand? It's very simple. Then you pluck on your 1 again, then 1 4 4 5, 1 6 7 6 5 5, 1 1 5 1 5 1. You understand? Okay, so you can mix the three of them in just a groove. You understand? So let's say, let me mix the second bass line and the third bass line. So you understand? Okay, you can be mixing them. You just need to master it very well, and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for you today. I'll be seeing you guys this coming Thursday. Bye for now.